Inklumineers, let's see what we have in this pack here. Whispers in the Well. So I love to see what the next clue would be. Number 3. We don't have this one. And we start the common section with Brom Bones. 4 ink, inkable, 5 attack, 4 defense, with 1 lore. Launchpad. Exceptional Pilot. 4 ink, inkable, 4 attack, 4 defense, 1 lore. Mrs. Beakley. Former Shush Agent. 4 ink, inkable, 2 attack, 6 defense, bodyguard, 1 lore. Rapunzel. Creative Captor. 5 ink, inkable, 3 attack, 6 defense, 2 lore. Junior Woodchuck Guidebook. An item. 2 ink, inkable item. Putting it all together. 2 ink, inkable action. And this was for the commons. Let's see what the uncommons have for us. Terran, or Terran, I don't know. Pickkeeper, 5 ink, inkable, 5 attack, 5 defense, 2 lore with support. Lexington, small in stature, 3 ink, inkable, 4 attack, 4 defense, 1 lore with alert. Katrina Van Tassel, Rosy Cheat class, 4 ink, inkable, 6 attack, 4 defense, 1 lore. And that's it from her. And as far as the uncommons are going, this is it. So now we start with the rares. And we have 5 ink, uninkable, Penumbra Moon Alien with 7 attack and 6 defense with 2 lore. Our next is a super rare Whisper, Scar, Eerily Prepared, 5 ink, uninkable, 6 attack, 5 defense with boost 2 and 2 lore. And let's see what we have for our foil. Della's Moon Lullaby, 2 ink, inkable action. Chosen opposing character gets to attack until the start of you -2 attack, until the start of your next turn. Draw a card. Not a bad card at all. This is actually a good one. I like that. I like that. Thank you guys for stopping by. We'll see each other in the next one, Inklumineers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.